There are 4 steps to dividing fractions. They are: change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, cross-cancel by dividing diagonals by a common factor if possible, multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Let's look at an example. 5/6 divided by 20/3. First, we change the division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, giving us 5/6 times 3/20. Now, we can divide 5 and 20 by their GCF, which is 5. Dividing 5 by 5 gives us 1, and dividing 20 by 5 gives us 4. Next, we can divide 3 and 6 by their GCF, which is 3. Dividing 3 by 3 gives us 1, and dividing 6 by 3 gives us 2. Now the problem is 1/2 times 1/4. Next we multiply numerators, 1 times 1, and then the denominators, 2 times 4. So the answer is 1/8. Let's look at another example, this time involving mixed numbers. 6 and 2/3 divided by 1 and 5/6. First, we will convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. 6 and 2/3 becomes 20/3, and 1 and 5/6 becomes 11/6. So now the problem is 20/3 divided by 11/6. Now we change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction, giving us 20/3 times 6/11. We can now cross-cancel. 20 and 11 have no common factors other than 1, so we cannot cancel anything. We can divide 6 and 3 by their GCF, which is 3. Dividing 6 by 3 gives us 2, and dividing 3 by 3 gives us 1. The problem is now 20 over 1 times 2 over 11. Multiply the numerators, 20 times 2, and the denominators, 1 times 11. So the answer is 40/11, or equivalently 3 and 7/11. That concludes this lesson on dividing fractions.